So hey guys, I'm finally here. I'm in Nairobi. Okay, not yet in Nairobi. This is around between Athi River and Mlolongo. It's not Nairobi, it's Machakos, right? Yeah, so I'm already here where I'm supposed to spend the next few days. So let me give you a tour of the place. It's a beautiful place. So yeah.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
So here is the entry door. Down here there's a beautiful mat. I like its colors, it's so beautiful. So once you enter from the door on the left, you have the kitchen. It's a simple kitchen. I'm trying to find the lights for the kitchen. Yeah, here we go. Here is the kitchen. So we have a fridge over here, a small fridge over here. Then we have some shelves and counters. We have a cooker. We have utensils over here and a beautiful sink. More utensils. Then up here we have a lot of storage space. Then on this other side also there's a lot of storage space. Then we have a microwave over here. So generally this is how the kitchen will look like. This is how the kitchen is. Some mats on the floor, I forgot to mention that. And this side and the microwave over here. So that's the kitchen. There is more storage over there. Then there's a window here. And there's another door opening up to the balcony. Where are the lights? So there are just basins there and water view and some hanging lines. And I can't find the lights for the balcony. Anyway, that's the small balcony over there. So that's basically this part. Then once you leave the kitchen, you head straight to the dining area. Here there is a water dispenser with water. Then this is the dining area. Look at those seats and the table. Wow, I like this piece. Pieces and the cute table mats. And down here there's a beautiful carpet. So that's basically the dining area. That's how it looks like. Wow, I love it, love it, love it. Then you head straight to the living room area. There's Wi-Fi over here. Let me find the lights. I'm still new here, so don't mind me. Let me find the lights for here. Yeah. So here are the lights for the living room. There's an L couch over here with nude colors and some throw pillows. Then there's another couch, two-seater couch over there and some throw pillows. A very large window with some cute curtains. I don't like the color, but it's not my home, so. Then there's Wi-Fi over here, a cute white table, and a beautiful carpet. Wow, this carpet is so cute. Then on this other side is the TV wall. Let's see. There's some cute deco up here, and the TV, and some more cute deco up there. So let me show you the TV wall from here. This is basically how the TV wall looks like. So I want to show you the living room area from this side. So generally this is how the living room will look like. Yeah. So I forgot to show you the ceiling up here. That's how it looks like. This gypsum. Yeah. That's the ceiling. So yeah. Then there's a corridor over here. I think this is a shoe rack. Inbuilt shoe rack. They put some tissue there for us. Then there's a sink over here and a mirror. Yeah, that's me. I'm all black. Nowadays I like to wear all black. I cannot explain why. So here is the common washroom. Yeah, there's a mat here. Then we have a sink over here, a towel hanger, overhead shower, another tub, some soap. There's the toilet bowl, toilet seat, toilet bowl, and a tissue hanger. So this is basically how the common washroom looks like. Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, with the lights, let's move on. So it's a three bedroom furnished apartment. So let's go to the first bedroom. Oh God, I'm still finding the lights. Yeah, look at that. A beautiful white and nude bed with beautiful sheets. That's a huge window. I don't like the color of the curtains in this house for some reason. But it's true. Then we have wardrobes. Let me see. Wow. There are a lot of wardrobes over here. Yeah. They're so big. So we have wardrobes over there. And this bed, that's basically how the first bedroom looks like. Okay. That's the first bedroom. Let's go to the second bedroom. Turn off the lights. Let's get the lights. Wow, now this one I like its colors. At least they're matching. See? See these colors? The gray and the gray are matching. So yeah, a big gray chest bed and gray curtains. That's beautiful. At least there's some theme. And white beddings and throw pillows with some gray and blue. Wow, this room at least has a theme. And wardrobes again. It's a simple room just like the other one. So basically this is how it looks like. Okay, let's go to the master bedroom. Ooh. Master bedroom. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, those are my stuff. I just dropped them there. There's an iron box, one window over here, a cute blue chest bed, throw pillows with a theme. They look nice. Then another curtain over there. The curtains in this room. In this apartment, God. Then we have very many wardrobes over here. Thousands and thousands of wardrobes. Then the master bedroom, of course, has a washroom. There's a mat over here, bedside mat. And there's another mat as you head to the washroom. So yeah, we have the lights. Okay, here this. Wow, this washroom is so big. So we have a sink here. Then we have the bathroom rack over here, the toilet bowl, toilet seat, tissue paper holder, towel hanger, and what is it called? Shower head, a tap, and some soap. It's beautiful. This is basically how it looks like. So yeah, it's cute. Yeah, so that's basically it for this apartment that is going to be home for the next few days. I just arrived. I'm so hungry. I cannot cook. I need to go out and find something to eat and then come back again. So yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, so bye.